WHA Corporation Public Company Limited, Thailand's leading developer with 4 integrated business units in logistics, industrial development, utilities and power, and digital platform. Our experienced management and staff offer a full-service platform to be your ultimate solution partner in Thailand and ASEAN. Over the past 30 years, WHA Group has been a strong supporter of Thailand's national policies to foster economic growth. Today, WHA Group plays significant contributing role in the development of the Eastern Economic Corridor, EEC, which aims to develop 10 target new high-tech industries, especially aviation and logistics, robotics and automation, next-generation automotive, and intelligent electronics. WHA Logistics is driven to be Asia's leader in aligning vertical integrated logistics facilities provider with high quality capturing throughout value chain in the region. We enhance Thailand's sustainable growth by constructing high quality built-to-suit factories and warehouses on prime logistics locations in Thailand, especially Eastern Economic Corridor. With more than 2.2 million square meters of factories and warehouses, WHA Logistics provides total solutions to meet the specific demands of investors. To support Thailand's economic growth, WHA Industrial Development Public Company Limited, Thailand's #1 industrial estate developer, especially in the EEC area, has established 9+ industrial estates. We are trusted by more than 720 multinational customers, representing an investment of over $31 billion. We are proud that Eastern Seaboard Industrial Estate, Rayong, WHA Eastern Seaboard Industrial Estate 1 and 2 are renowned as the automotive cluster of Thailand, the production base of Thailand's major OEMs. And WHA Eastern Industrial Estate Maptaput, renowned as the petrochemical cluster. WHA Eastern Seaboard Industrial Estate 4 has been designated as Industrial Promoted Zone for Aviation and Logistics, Robotics and Automation, and Next Generation Automotive under the EEC Development Project. With strategic locations, all 9 WHA's industrial estates are under the EEC's Industrial Promotional Zone, and we are ready to serve the 10 target industries. We are taking another big step by expanding our industrial estate activities to Vietnam by establishing WHA Industrial Zone, Nghệ An. WHA Utilities and Power Public Company Limited, #1 industrial utilities provider, has joined forces with strategic local and international partners to provide utilities and power and industrial services such as processed water, wastewater treatment, and natural gas distribution for customers in WHA industrial estates, clean alternative power from solar rooftops, and a new industrial waste-to-energy plant currently being developed in WHA Chonburi Industrial Estate 1. We plan to diversify our activities both inside and outside our industrial estates and continuously build up reputation and trust by improving our service and quality to meet the customer requirement. WHA Digital Platform makes the technology infrastructure available throughout the business by transforming the country into an innovation-driven economy, a new economic model of Thailand 4.0, among leading Thai and multinational companies. WHA Group is a confident provider of soft and hard digital infrastructure. We actively provide complete data solution and digital platforms, including data centers, self-managed local loop, FTTX linkage, and fiber optic service. Towards high-value, smart eco-industrial estates in Thailand and expanding to ASEAN. WHA Group's top priority is to enrich the lives of community members. Clean Water for Planet is WHA Group's CSR program, focusing on wastewater management and treatment. With our expertise in environment-friendly techniques and practices, communities and universities can benefit from our know-how and experience in this field. We are committed to emphasize the importance of responsibility to society, education, community, and the environment that can help improve the plight of families and communities, as well as assure a brighter future for the youth. We are honored to be part of developing Thailand and its economy. We are committed to continuously develop Thailand together to the future. WHA Group, the market leader in aligning vertical integrated logistics facilities provider, total solution industrial estate, utilities, power, and digital infrastructure platforms with high quality, capturing throughout value chain in Asia. WHA Group, your ultimate solution partner.